The following message is transmitted at the request of the National Aeronautics and Space Administration and the United States government. Approximately 1:20 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time, astronomers discovered a massive asteroid named Chicxulub, which was the asteroid that killed the dinosaurs, is on a collision course with Earth and will impact our planet in the next month. Satellites have been set to try to prevent the asteroid from hitting Earth and killing humanity. If the satellites are failed to stop the asteroid, NASA is beginning to build space stations so that residents can be saved. All residents of the United States are strongly advised to pack everything of supplies like food, water, clothing, medical supplies, a flashlight, a first aid kit, and a battery-powered or hand-crank radio with extra batteries. Stay tuned for further information on this dangerous situation. We interrupt regular programming. This is a global emergency. Important details will follow. The following message is transmitted at the request of the National Aeronautics and Space Administration and the United States government. The asteroid, Chicxulub, that was discovered 1 month ago, is expected to hit Earth in the next 12 hours. There is nothing to save Earth from this asteroid impact. Luckily, NASA has already finished all space stations in space. All residents are advised to evacuate to NASA stations. Grab all of the people in your home, including children and pets, and take food, water, clothing, medical supplies, a flashlight, a first aid kit, and battery-powered or hand-crank radio with extra batteries. Do not pick up relatives from schools, hospitals, or nursing homes. These facilities have their own evacuation procedures. Police and military are setting up the following evacuation routes for evacuation at this time. If you are outside, ask an officer to escort you to station, or not, travel to the military base. If you do not evacuate Earth in the next 12 hours, you will face certain death. The President has been sent out of the Earth. He will be speak on shortly. Your government thanks you for your cooperation, but this is the end of the Earth. This is Tom, from the Emergency Alert System, signing out for the last time of this Earth.
That's a sexy fucking M&M. Bet she got a fat ass. Let's see that ass, babe.